which the Church, either by a solemn judgment or by the ordinary and universal magisterium, sets forth to be believed as divinely revealed, I also firmly accept and hold each and everything definitively proposed by the Church regarding teaching on faith and morals. Moreover, I adhere with religious submission of will and intellect in the teachings which either the Roman Pontiff or the College of Bishops enunciate when they exercise their authentic magisterium, even if they do not intend to proclaim these teachings by a definitive act. Please.
Let us now offer to Almighty God our intentions.
For faithful bishops, that they will find a way to purify Christ's church from the sin and contagion that afflicts her, we pray to the Lord. For every human life, from conception to natural death, that it will be enshrined and protected in our laws, we pray to the Lord. For the poorest of the poor here in San Francisco, and for those in Kerala, India, who have lost property or their lives in the flooding, we pray to the Lord. For Christian husbands and wives, that God will help them to be witnesses of Christ's love, we pray to the Lord. For our pastor, that God will permit him to discharge without fail the office of the priesthood, we pray to the Lord. For our pastor, that he will celebrate the mysteries of Christ reverently and faithfully in accord with the tradition of the Church, we pray to the Lord. For our pastor, that he will unite himself every day to Christ, the high priest, who offered himself to the Father as a pure sacrifice, we pray to the Lord. Saturday, 4:30, and this Mass is offered for the special intention of Francis and Jenny Chow, and for the repose of the souls of Manuelata de Silva and Fernanda Gonzalez. They depart quickly to the fullness of paradise. We pray to the Lord.
Gracious God, you have nourished and protected your church by providing it with pastors who are stewards of your word and sacraments. Strengthen our brother Joseph as he begins a new ministry among us, and help us all to follow your Son, Jesus Christ, who is Lord forever and ever. Amen.
You may have heard of the flooding in Kerala, in India, in southern India, where over 1 million people have been displaced and 400 people have lost their lives. There will be a second offering today for those who wish to support the mission in India. I actually know a priest working in Kerala who can send the money directly to his diocese. And so the second offering will be to aid the flood victims in Kerala, India.